A lot of people are wondering how high can Pepe go, and some people are even questioning, can Pepe hit $1? Let's break down the answer to that question in this video. Now right now, Pepe is obviously a fraction of a penny. You guys can see Pepe is currently down a little bit on the day. Market cap about $800 million. People are wondering, can Pepe drop off a bunch of zeros and go up to $1? Well, the answer to that question is actually a little bit harder than you might think. Pepe has been seeing insane momentum behind this cryptocurrency. We've obviously are pulling back right now from our all-time highs. Pepe currently is down roughly about 50% from those peaks that we saw just a couple days ago, but Pepe has still seen explosive growth. Over the past 14 days, Pepe is up almost 500, almost 600% right now. Pepe has seen massive run-ups, massive movement, and is still up dramatically, well over 10x since its initial launch. Now, with Pepe, the reason why it's doing so well right now is the strong community behind Pepe. When you go ahead and check on Etherscan, you guys can see Pepe so far is sitting at 106,000 holders, which, considering the insane Ethereum gas fees and everything else that's going against this cryptocurrency that is relatively brand new, the fact this is already at 106,000 holders is very bullish. But is this bullish enough for Pepe to absolutely explode and us to see the price potentially hit around $1? Well, that's the difficult question to answer here. We're seeing some other bullish signals that are going on for Pepe. For example, we had this tweet come out earlier today from Poppy. For example, we had this tweet come out today from Polly. You can see SushiSwap actually changed their logo into a Pepe for a little while. There are a lot of awesome opportunities for Pepe into the future. The first one would be getting listed on Robinhood. Now, when Shiba Inu got listed on Robinhood, the price soared over 30% off of that announcement. We could see Pepe probably 2x off an announcement of Robinhood. We could also see Pepe go up dramatically off a Coinbase listing. You see Shiba Inu went up about 25% off a Coinbase listing. We could also see explosive growth for Pepe if Elon Musk starts talking about this cryptocurrency, which I don't think is that outlandish. People would have said, oh, Elon Musk would never tweet about a different meme coin, but obviously that's happened quite a lot with both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and I don't think that Elon Musk would overlook Pepe once we get a lot of community movement. Elon Musk seems to be a person who likes to discuss these people's movements, and Pepe is obviously a people's movement. Pepe can also get some mainstream media attention. As you guys can see, this is something I showed off a couple days ago, but a lot of these different articles are not really talking about Pepe. You can see we're getting a couple small little bit of mentions here and there. Yahoo Finance came up, but outside of crypto news articles, there's really not a lot of talk of Pepe. It's mainly only in the crypto space, and that is reinforced by the fact that when we go ahead and look at Google Trends, we compare, let's look at Shiba Inu. I know I've looked at Dogecoin before, let's look at Shiba Inu. Peak of Shiba Inu coin, not even just Shiba Inu in general, Shiba Inu coin, you guys can see that peak right here. Right now, Pepe in comparison, when the Pepe memes were super hyped, that was that peak right here, which is the equivalent about 20% of the peak of Shiba Inu coin. Right now, Pepe in comparison is about 7% of the way there towards the peak of Shiba Inu coin. So there is a lot of room here for Pepe to well over 10x in its social engagement on Google searches, because the Google Trends is related to Google search volume. By the way, if you guys appreciate these videos, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified when content goes live. Now we start talking about Pepe going as far as $1, right? We've talked about a bunch of different catalysts that could help push Pepe and see the price explode. We could see this potentially go to over a $40 million market cap, just like what Shiba Inu did, but obviously that would make us very, very short of hitting a $1 price. We would have to go up astronomically. In fact, we'd have to have our price basically be equal to the circulating supply, which would be about $420 trillion market cap. That is absolutely crazy. If we look in comparison, just so you get a better understanding of scale, Bitcoin right now is $500 million. Ethereum is about $200 million. You're talking like over 1,000x of what these main cryptocurrencies are right now. And even if we go into a bull market, no matter how you look at that, that is just absolutely insane. So when you approach it like that, it does not seem like Pepe to $1 is reasonable. However, there is one way that could be made possible. That would be through burns. Burns have become a very popular mechanism in the cryptocurrency community. We obviously have Ethereum that is decreasing its total supply. We have a lot of different cryptocurrencies that are decreasing its total supply. The Shibarium network is going to do that for Shiba Inu. This is a big thing within the crypto community, And if we have Pepe, we see a lot of people start to burn off their Pepe supply, projects that support Pepe to burn off the Pepe supply. This is something that could decrease that circulating supply, that total supply, to where we can maybe decrease that supply by 90%, 95%, sell off a ton of Pepe over time, or burn off a ton of Pepe as we're getting buy and sell volume, which obviously right now, as you guys can see on a 24-hour basis, Pepe has an insane number of volume compared to the market cap, over the size of the market cap in 24-hour volume. And so let's say we saw 1% burn tax on all transactions, we could see the total supply of Pepe dramatically increase very, very fast. And if you burn down enough Pepe, eventually it would actually become possible for Pepe to be equal to $1 per coin. This of course would require a lot of things to go right. The stars would essentially have to align here. We have to have so many big catalysts occur for Pepe that would help keep this different 24-hour trade volume at the elevated levels. We'd have to see so many things go right for Pepe. It'd probably have to burn off for years to come. It's not going to be an easy feat by any stretch of the imagination. This would be like a Hail Mary approach, but it is technically possible. Now, one example of a cryptocurrency that is burning down a huge chunk of its total supply is today's sponsor, Elmo ERC. One of the very unique value propositions that Elmo ERC has above other cryptocurrencies is a 10% burn tax on sell orders. So whenever somebody goes ahead and sells off their Elmo ERC, is going to burn down the total token supply. You can see initially they started with 1 billion tokens, and they initially started by burning half the total supply, which was 500 million. And since their launch, they have been burning down roughly another 60 million total tokens, which is a massive change in the total supply, given the fact that this is still a newer cryptocurrency and it's a smaller project, and they're still able to accomplish that, which means as they continue to grow, as they continue to get more support, their burns could go absolutely insane. Elmo ERC is currently sitting at about a $5 million market cap, and they're having a volume pretty close to $1 million every single 24 hours. Now, this project, if this becomes similar to something like Bob or some of these other cryptocurrencies, this is a project that could 10 or 20x in market cap value, and the token value could go even higher when you start factoring in their token burns. And not only do they have their burn mechanism, but they're also adding a staking mechanism very soon. So make sure you guys go ahead, do your own research into this project, of course, before investing into any cryptocurrency, especially meme coins. But I think this is a project that is well worth your time researching. And I'll have the link in the description down below to their website, as well as over to their Twitter page and to their DEX tools page, so you guys can check out all the information that you might need to know about Elmo ERC. Now, if you want to know about a little bit more of a realistic short-term potential for Pepe, check out this video up here to see if Pepe could hit a $10 billion market cap.